Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to export a Google Sheet to an Excel document. So what you want to do once you're inside that Google Sheet, go to the upper left hand side and click on File. Now you want to go down to where it says Download, and you want to choose Microsoft Excel from the option here. Click on that and it's going to allow you to download that Google Sheet document as an Excel file, and as you can see it's downloaded here. Now if I go ahead and open up my downloads folder here, you will see that I have this Excel sheet here. Now I can go ahead and I can double click on it, and it's going to open up within Microsoft Excel on my computer, as you'll see in a moment. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You might realize that when you open up the document in Excel, it might require you to click on enable editing. So once you click on that, you'll be able to actually, let's say, move around cells or columns in order for you to really see what's there, as you can see here. But that's it, guys. Depending on whatever settings you have or whatever the file might be, you might need to go ahead and just play with it a bit. But that's it. As you can see, I have my document now open up in Microsoft Excel. Very easy and very simple.